Hey yo, it's Chris O. What I'm doing here is I'm doing the silicone before the grout. The reason for that is I still have 4 or 5 wet tiles. Oh, more than that. This wall's wet as well. And I don't want to pull out the wedges until tomorrow, but if I silicone it, I'm not two things. If I silicone it now, I'm not having to wait tomorrow for my grout to, the dampness to go, so the silicone sticks. So I do it now while it's all dry. And the other reason is I don't want to pull out my clips just yet. So it's all goodly doodly. Where the bloody hell is me bottle? Stop looking, everyone. I've found it. It's all good in the hood. Yeah, so you don't have to do silicone after grout. You can do it beforehand. And it suits me better because I won't have to wait for my tiles to dry. So I can silicone. It'll be siliconed already. So I come in the morning because tomorrow's Friday. The screen guy is coming in on Saturday. Chris, my screen guy, is coming in on Saturday to fit the screen in the ensuite. So I'll be stripping out the bathroom Monday. Into it again, into the next. So I'll be doing that bathroom and the separate toilet at the same time. Up there, see up that wall there, you don't silicone that, you grout it, because when they paint that wall, if they're going to, if it was siliconed, not good. You've got to either cork it, which is paintable, or grout. I always grout around my ceiling and down my walls. It's been a good week. It has been bloody hard though in the I've found it hard this year in the heat. Christ. Today it's windy and it's about 23 degrees today, and far out it makes a difference, eh? When you're not sweating your ass off at 30 degrees in a laundry that's facing north, so it's getting untold sun in it. Bloody hot, boy. down to the bottom, wipe away. See how you change your method and you get it off the sides and all that jazz. The wedges can get in the way a little bit, but you get around it. So then, yeah, along the top here, I'll be grouting. You get a nice finish. You don't silicone nut. Oh no. You grout that top. I'll show you tomorrow. Ah. All right, I'll go up there, across there, I grout that. I'll come back to you soon. This is Chriso. I must show you guys how I put in the wastes and how it works. That's easy. I'll do that in the bathroom. I'll show you. See how I cut that aluminium down by putting that aluminium on my table, and then to make sure it's easy to cut through aluminium if you're cutting through plastic as well with your diamond blade. Easy peasy. Oh, silicone all around there. We're laughing. I could have been a little bit more accurate there, but it'll silicone up all right. See you soon. This is Chriso signing off. I'll come back to you soon.